Mamema wakwaba and found GCN pages so mesro subscribe to my channel found Sami Abe on the so ube a notification and it's an news and the betum be open your and I say open your share GCN page hamidin at the adroa sechi ora amo a legal practitioner na ora mo and our case mesema okay na the say NDC for our more opposition and near more propaganda ye na omweni da ho ye papa because the NDC for omoanka ensema enye no kware omoanka ensema ebegu NPP party hufia omo betna opposition ache ye papa because his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebeye omampani ewo manga nemu no despite ensema nkofo kase economy ni mu aye din na dia din na yenye ni say COVID-19 e buy it because from 2016 His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebeje akondwe efi NDC for ensema obu amembu no na nyama ekoyi papa yen na ebedi adanse akase from 2016 from 2017 Nana do be president no eyade na Ghana fu bebre omo ani age until say COVID-19 ndi no hu bebo ma enyama e basa ne Ghana for omo kase yi papa ne no e na owura mo e trese empo COVID time ni mu amanfo e kase na His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo egusu a oye nyama yebehwa 1D1F eyade a ekoso ye papa enye entro eye no kware evidence wo hono mu a obehu se 1D1F no ekoso afensu free SHS His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ede ebai napkwa Nanado ede bai che se enyema bebre ena Nanado oye wesisi schools hospitals ena afensu eye interchange cd interchange Nanado why you bebre until no His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo why ya papa say NDC for no mutena ho no mu yedin a enyama pa Nanado eye no enya de a ombetumi asanso aba power enti propaganda NDC for eye no mo ani eda ho no mo ahyeda ye papa because omo akansem bone na se Ghana for anti omo ase Ghana for anti say eye NPP amayoko no mo eye nyama bone omo nye nyama papa besia no mo aba omo hu de omo de ya enya de a Ghana for ebeto abano ede amo coming 2024 election eyade omo betena opposition ache ye papa nti na NDC amayoko no mo ajro omo ho a omo eye propaganda no omo nim se omo nim pefe nim no kware no se enyema Nanado eye no eye nyema eboa oman Ghana afenso Nanado ebo no ho modi ye papa na Ghana for no say omampani da John Dramani Mahama kind say it was short memory enti no say NDC for no mo the propaganda no efri sana Ghana for ye rebefi na ya to aba no e de ama NDC amayoko na say na owura amo e de etudwa
education so omusua ngoma na omusua ngoma no susu wi a na omu wi secondary school na wasam makonya say hey you don't end there back to university na university so a oboko no first no ye town no ye kwaji snit loan oboko ko fa okuani bia ba ko pay we guarantors we bra obebresa obi hu na o dwane because obe father as guarantor now what is needed ne say fa won sahye wo bottom na yi wo Ghana card brabontene wo yi wo Ghana card brabon say wo Ghana card pe ne amount loan say fa dey fa ko sua ngoma wo wie no soso no wo wie soso no ya samba 1 year say 1 year mentua okay na pajuma ye na juma no kra all tired because we have all these districts because we have all these things going on so no ya sign ma akwanya say empo ope baby atra na uhia rent allowance obesa ma rent allowance this is the man who is fixing the national free 2008 ebesu 2016 no mpokua edidam no and also see all this in Tokua and all cementing be beer together the all building all sentinel say if you look at his leadership and then Nema all now the opposition NDC they have seen all this be so baby papa do online call breaking the age if we pursue it with aggression they will come back and therefore no omo ya kwan omo ma obi akwan ema ensempa and then Nema pa and then the pa aban ne ye no omo ma ho kwan ema mu nka na every day they will come with an agenda every day omo meetings almost strategize to make sure say the good works the good deeds and in the future papa no build the bridge between today and the future no man a man for the day so we build the human capital now from there look of you no buy no see the health because any power we are titi nyina Ghana for nyina no say betimi atumpon wa this is what dinimu and I said the health of you know this is well established. And the pandemic came 2019 from Wuhan, from China. You need who idea ya nan shemuda but do nyame shano no shano obaya even before the COVID or the ambulances Ghana for mutie na mo hwe papa ne ba bia odi ekọ mo hwe ba bia ade papa ne ye no or the ambulances 309 constituency bia okwa guna sisi ho number ne 112 and even ambulance you call the brand master it's not just an ordinary ambulance ambulance Mercedes Benz now even in that ambulance you know paramedics for no module you training one you better me ajiwa wom you better me the what emergency use wom you better me the ensure then use and above all na papa no onim say COVID ba in the ambulance omo ventilators ya COVID two dey do quiet don't me homia why you congested e wa hra mu unya from oxygen komu a ya the ventilator buto hene now you pump your mouth CPR, you're making sure say we are alive before they take to Gar East. What you say? And to the health of your year and to COVID in the buy away now Ghana. Who say yeah we to control it. Papa you also okay fine. At this year yes you are free. COVID you say we need more hospitals. Ghana for muntie or say agenda 111. Uru say yourself for because hey and the hospital case obesi no e wo here.
August
yes to build a hospital yes. What you say? Enye fakodiagro, and he's doing it or building all these hospitals. Ultimately, if you quanta hospital more enlarge, Kwalebu more specialize Kodaka first Konfonechi teaching hospital. Yeah, specialized. And if you look at Sa and Kola Kra and Kola, one more year mami in yere SC or Konfonechi. I'm say more from my munko. The health center is good, and the one society here, medical schools here expanded, nursing schools more absorb more. And the health sector is so tight, and I want to build the health sector. My energy. Look, yet and Kapatana Uko Makola, Bomb Makola Munum, to ozone layer depletion and to amount for budget open wash or the okuta gallon or koto fuel and koto diesel akogu na you know the generator because I'm a light of all makola and the best sweaty a huchra amount for komu even the SMEs omo yomu etire omo yomu 3-4 salu foi obeko you omo the machine that you first the you wind the year 3 ho and the Kenya ho Kenya ni won fa o de paso Kenya ho Kenya fa ho and the machine now because of what because of technology and you do like babaru no ontimi nyu baba fo nyina business eco form magazine swame what all me later who say magazine so we latest pa what you say omo ye still benders nyina ho nyina obia ho kire omo because omo hia power to do omo de no power ni ho enti Emma, that time, Ghana businesses, the economy of Ghana no crano is shrinking here. Now, Papa, you buy our barrels of do something. Then you are telling us to fix the country. Now, roads. Sure, we will buy also okay, year of roads or declare. Now, Moshe asphalt. Where be then you fear the asphalt. I know a cost a second year of roads a cost. Now, how can you fix a nation? Okay, Saluma wage cost the dams, irrigation, warehouses, cocoa near year cost and interestingly, Yahu no, Lanka University, Oko Pejma Obrepa, Fise, Okoya almost resume way. A he found away Juma, Usminia Jumada, Obian Hobe foul because every company biano airpe ubia at least or was some experience in their area of work. Papai and I'm say all junior or man at that time you have graduate unemployment. Ya omutiwa omu school omu nya jumanye no. Or say let me be creative. Ma me nyini Ghana for ho. Omu future ho. Say ne be ya mo from me nya juma no be learning training build on mindset or just skill set and some join the main workforce on the NAPCO and so by models near about 7 teacher forum nurse forum ICT forum what about say experience now the NAPCO the man interested in say about for say obi called NAPCO I also say in the first place no was say the time na ye adwuma enti me sora no pa ma me nware ma me nkɔ adwuma me kɔ adwuma me yɛ adwuma 8 hours a me pon me ba fie ɔkɔ NABCO mu no ɔne nkrɔfo so deal into wa building the interpersonal skills on how any is din komo customers din komo any clients din komo any other co-workers din komo any boss so din komo at least we share computer skills at least ultimate communicate at least ultimate share bibi at least when your attitude say you don't have to abuse company's resources. And did not come a baby a scale building center and my young graduates are university for so now they can build a resume now so for more panic because at least when you taste of the work environment and did not go by and where they say also was a big to say now NABCO because a banu behind nipa akonya be say anyone where go NABCO will be the first choice of the government. What would they